Hi, amazing explorers! Today we are going on a buzzing adventure into the world of bees. Have you ever heard a bee zip past your ear and wondered, why do they buzz? Where do they live? Do all bees look the same? Well, grab your imagination and your explorer hat, because we're about to find out. Why do bees buzz? Bees have tiny wings that flap incredibly fast, about 200 times every second. That's faster than you can clap, blink, or wiggle your toes. When wings flap that quickly, they make the air vibrate, and when air vibrates, we hear a sound. That sound is the familiar buzzes. But here's something even cooler. Some bees buzz on purpose. They vibrate their bodies to shake pollen out of certain flowers. Scientists call this buzz pollination, but I like to call it the bee shake dance. What kind of animals are bees? Bees belong to a big scientific family called insects. Let's break down their biological classification in kid-friendly language. Kingdom Animalia. They're animals, just like us. Phylum Arthropoda. They have jointed legs and a hard outer shell. Class Insecta, 6 legs, 2 antennae, and 3 body parts. Order Hymenoptera. This group includes bees, ants, and wasps. Family Apidae. The family of honeybees, bumblebees, and many others. So yes, bees and ants are actually cousins. How many kinds of bees are there? You might think there are only honeybees and bumblebees, but guess what? There are over 20,000 different species of bees in the world. Some are tiny, like a grain of rice. Some are big and fuzzy, like a cotton ball. Some are bright blue or shiny green. Some don't even live in hives, they live alone. A few fun examples: honeybees, the famous honey makers. Bumblebees, big, fuzzy, gentle giants. Leafcutter bees, they cut perfect circles from leaves. Orchid bees, shiny, colorful, and love sweet smells. Bees are like a giant family reunion with thousands of cousins. Where do bees live? Bees live almost everywhere on Earth except Antarctica. They love places with flowers, sunshine, and plants. Different bees choose different homes. Honeybees live in hives, natural ones, or beekeeper-made ones. Bumblebees like underground burrows or grassy nests. Carpenter bees make tunnels in wood. Solitary bees might live in hollow stems, tiny holes, or even snail shells. If there are flowers nearby, chances are bees are nearby too. How bees work as a community. Bees are some of the best team players in the animal kingdom. Inside a honeybee hive, everyone has a job. 1. The queen bee, she's the mother of the whole hive. Her job, lay eggs. Lots of them, sometimes up to 2,000 eggs a day. 2. Worker bees. These are all female bees. They do everything. Clean the hive, feed the babies, make honey, guard the entrance, collect pollen and nectar, build honeycomb, take care of the queen. They're like tiny superheroes with to-do lists. 3. Drone bees. These are the male bees. Their main job is to help create new bees. They don't gather food or make honey. Bees communicate by dancing. Dancing. The waggle dance tells other bees where to find the best flowers. Why bees are essential to human life. Bees aren't just cute, they're essential. Bees help plants grow by pollinating them. Pollination is when pollen moves from one flower to another, helping plants make fruits, seeds, and new plants. Bees help pollinate apples, blueberries, strawberries, pumpkins, almonds, watermelons, cucumbers, and hundreds more. In fact, 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat exists because of bees. Without bees, our world would have fewer flowers, fewer fruits, and fewer healthy ecosystems. Bees are tiny, but their impact is enormous. Before we finish, here's a little bee joke to make you smile. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use a honeycomb. Bees may be small, but they're mighty, magical, and incredibly important. Next time you hear a buzz, remember, it's just a little worker doing a big job.